Hello guys, welcome to Caan Tech Foundation. My name is Catherine. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to open a virtual PO box. So I already showed you guys how to open a physical postal address. Now you can also open a virtual PO box. A virtual PO box is connected to your personal phone number. So your number will become your PO box. Of course, connected to your nearest PO box. So to do that, go to your search engine and search for MPost. MPost is the organization that is responsible for registering virtual PO boxes in Kenya in partnership with Safaricom and Posta and other partners. So go to mpost.co.ke, also MPost, Posta Mkononi. So the last time I checked, the website doesn't have a security certificate. That is security risk. So if you are not sure you want to do this, you can just quit here. If you have no issue with the security certificate, click on advanced. So read the security message and then click on proceed to mpost.co.ke. This is how the MPost website looks like. So click on register. As I said, your personal phone number is the one that becomes a postal address. That's why it's a virtual PO box. Unlike the physical one. So click on register. So the virtual PO box, unlike the physical one, costs 2,050 Kenyan shillings. Okay. So the only difference is 510 Kenyan shillings. So you can decide which one you want. But you can still use the virtual PO box in your legal applications when registering a business, in your health records, or any other project or program or whatever you might have that requires a PO box. So it's a recognized legal address. So enter your personal details that will be required: your first name, your last name, your phone number, your ID number, and then choose your nearest PO box. So if you're in Nairobi, there's Nairobi GPO, there's Eastlands, there's all those Westlands and wherever. If in Nakuru, there are so many post office in Kenya, so just choose the one that is the nearest, closest to you. Okay, enter a referral code if you have any, and then click on register. It's going to send to show you a success message telling you thank you for registering, and then you can click on complete payment. Once you click on complete payment, a prompt will be sent to your phone number, the one that you entered for M-Pesa, that is Safaricom. So Safaricom numbers, by the way, I don't know if they accept Airtel numbers and other numbers. I'm not sure about that. So Safaricom numbers. So once you click on complete payment, it's going to send you an M-Pesa prompt to your phone telling you, do you want to pay 2,050 Kenyan shillings to MPost, blah 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 blah. If you accept, enter your M-Pesa pin and click on send, and you'll get a success message that you now have a phone number. So assuming your Safaricom phone number is 0712345678. So your PO box, and you're in Nairobi GPO, so your PO box will be +2547123456788-00100 for Nairobi GPO. That will be your official PO box, and you can use it when registering a business or other legal entities. So guys, once you do that, you have a PO box. How do you receive letters? You might wonder, because you don't have a box you can go open and take out your letters. So once a letter is sent to you, you receive a message, and then you go collect it to your nearest PO box, the one that you entered. So instead of going to open your box and take out your letter for this one, you just go to your nearest post office and say, hey, I got an alert that I've received a letter, and they check their entry and they gave you the letter. So that's how it works. So your letter goes to the general letters or the MPost section letters. I don't know, but you go to the post office desk and receive your letter. It's recognized by Posta, so you won't have any issues. Thank you so much for watching this video. We learned how to open a virtual PO box. My name has been Catherine. Until next time, bye bye.